Yeah. Yeah, the thing is I'd be making more videos, but I just don't live at a place where I can really do that. All that, I'm getting harassed for some washer fluid. Yeah, I'm gonna do a single MagnaFlow exhaust on this thing. Oh, well, that's good to know. Yeah, I think on the newer Lexuses, they made the steering wheel quieter. An adjustable steering wheel is really nice because that Ultima didn't adjust at all and the seat was on the ground and I was really uncomfortable. I got this thing in Buick mode right now. Yeah, I took out the CD player because it was heavy and it didn't work. But what I want to do is use the input from it. I still have the wiring harness from it. I'm going to find out what wires were the input, possibly, you know, hardwire input aux cord where the CD player input is, but I'm going to track down that harness and then see what the input would be on that. Alright, let's see if this shit works. I don't know what side it goes in. Well, it's definitely not that way. Is they have this slot in here so you can put the cord in it so you can works both directions. I know! Play. Huh. That's funny. To listen to it make that fucking noise. You have to listen to it make that noise, I guess. Wow. That works great. I can't even believe how good that sounds. Wow. I can't even believe that. That gets so loud. Whenever you're using the tuner, it doesn't get loud at all in FM mode. It just barely, you gotta crank it like all the way up to hear anything on the tuner. But this, you get so much more volume on the damn tape. That's nuts. Oh my god. Holy shit. Dude, I had no idea this thing was capable of that. I thought this factory stereo sucked. No reason to rip it out now. Yeah, I'm gonna paint those things. The carpet came off on those little things, little cloth or whatever it is. Hell yeah. Wild. Alright, thanks for the 500 subs and all that, and subscribe for more. Keep on watching all that stuff, yeah. And I'm low on washer fluid.